Time for you to sleep with the fishies. You don't stand a ghost of a chance. You amuse me, so I guess you don't get to die anytime soon. Amongst all of the demons and amongst all of the devils, I think somehow you are the worst of them all. Of course, that's personal opinion. Objectively, there's far, far greater sinners down here, but, well, you can't blame a man for having personal stakes when it comes to the one who murdered him. Ooh, hope I didn't scare you. You know, I'm no bone doctor, but I'm pretty sure your spine isn't supposed to be bending that way. Sorry, not sorry. Where in the world is William Afton? Let's see here. There's a little bit of him here, a little bit of him here, a little bit of him over there, and I think that's his eyeball.